Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to buy Ethereum on Changelly. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your Changelly account. You can use a Google account to log in. As you can see, I am logged in. And then what you do is from the home page, click on buy. So here on the buy section, I want you to choose your currency. I'll choose US dollars and then enter the amount. Okay, let's say $100 worth of. And the crypto, you'll come here, click on this drop down, and we need to choose ETH. So here we have Ethereum, so you can search up the currency, and there's different networks for Ethereum. So choose the one you want. I'll go ahead and pick Ethereum, this one, ETH, Ethereum network, and then you can click here to view all the different offers. This is the best one. You can use that one if you want, but if you want other payment options, you can select from here as well. So here you're buying from Topper, you can use a Visa, MasterCard, MoonPay, you can use Revolut. Topper here, you can also use GPay, the price is different, you can use PayPal, or you can choose your offer by the payment method. So let's say I want to pay with PayPal, we will use Topper. Then here you proceed to the next step, right? You enter your transaction details, or basically your destination address for your wallet. You paste that in here. Then in the next step, okay, you just make your payment. It'll redirect you to the partner's website. You can reveal the details, proceed with the payment. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.